I'm at home and I thought you might like to see what my dog has to cope with. She lives completely under the thumb of the cat. So here he is, in her lovely big dog bed, so squidgy and huge. And here she is. Squeezed us. Little cat. Such a sad sight. Poor animal. You bastard. I'm gonna kick him out. This isn't fair. Come on. Oh, it's gonna bite me. We don't get on very well. Come on. Oh, come on. God, the things are out. Move. This is hardly fair. Come on. You're so overweight. Overweight pets. Look at that smug face. Living the life. Chilling. Come on. I'm gonna... Thanks. I'm gonna tip you out because I can't stand by and watch this happen. Come on. Come on. Heidi. Come on.